Hello YouTube, and welcome to M. Taylor's Money Making and Marketing Sense. Today we want to provide some insightful information on affiliate marketing ads. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through their unique referral link. This approach has gained significant traction on platforms like YouTube, where content creators can leverage their audience to generate income. With millions of users watching videos daily, YouTube offers a unique opportunity for affiliates to reach potential customers in an engaging way. In this video, we'll dive into the world of affiliate marketing on YouTube ads, exploring how creators can effectively use this platform to boost their earnings. YouTube ads allow marketers to showcase their products to a targeted audience, making it easier to convert views into sales. The potential earnings can be substantial, especially for those who build a loyal following and create high-quality content that resonates with viewers. And if you enjoy this type of content, then do please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others. Also, turn on notifications to be in the loop whenever we post a new video on this topic. Now, not only does affiliate marketing provide a passive income stream, but it also allows creators to collaborate with brands they believe in, enhancing their credibility. So, whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, understanding the ins and outs of affiliate marketing on YouTube ads can open up exciting avenues for growth and revenue. So let's get started. First, understanding of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a digital marketing strategy where individuals, known as affiliates, promote products or services offered by merchants in exchange for a commission on sales generated through their efforts. This model operates on a performance-based system, meaning affiliates earn money only when a sale is made, making it a win-win for both parties involved. In the affiliate marketing ecosystem, there are three key players: affiliates, merchants, and consumers. Affiliates create content such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts that includes unique referral links to the merchant's products. Merchants, on the other hand, are businesses that provide these products or services and set the commission structure for affiliates. Finally, consumers are the end users who discover products through the affiliates' content and make purchases, completing the cycle. Choosing the right affiliate program is crucial for success. Affiliates should align themselves with brands that resonate with their audience and offer quality products. This not only enhances credibility, but also increases the likelihood of conversion. By understanding these components, aspiring affiliates can navigate the digital landscape more effectively and maximize their earning potential. Now, setting up your YouTube channel. Creating or optimizing your YouTube channel for affiliate marketing is a crucial step towards success. First, ensure that your channel has a clear niche that aligns with the products you plan to promote. Whether it's tech gadgets, beauty products, or fitness gear, having a focused niche helps attract a dedicated audience interested in your content and the affiliate products you recommend. Next, optimize your channel description and brand for better visibility. Your channel description should clearly outline what viewers can expect from your content, incorporating relevant keywords that potential subscribers might search for. Additionally, use eye-catching channel art and a professional logo to establish a strong brand identity. This not only makes your channel visually appealing, but also builds trust with your audience. Finally, focus on creating engaging content that resonates with your target audience. This could include product reviews, tutorials, or comparison videos that highlight the benefits of the affiliate products you promote. By providing valuable information and entertainment, you encourage viewers to click on your affiliate link, ultimately boosting your earnings. With these strategies in place, you'll be well on your way to building a successful YouTube channel for affiliate marketing. Creating compelling video content. Creating engaging videos that effectively promote affiliate products is essential for capturing your audience's attention and driving conversion. One powerful technique is to focus on storytelling. By weaving personal anecdotes or relatable experiences into your videos, you can connect with your audience on an emotional level. This connection not only makes your content more memorable, but also encourages viewers to trust your recommendations. Incorporating product reviews, tutorials, or unboxing is another effective way to showcase affiliate products. These formats allow you to demonstrate the product's features and benefits in a practical context, helping viewers understand how it can solve their problems or enhance their lives. Be honest and transparent in your assessment, as authenticity fosters trust and encourages viewers to take action. Additionally, using high quality visuals and sound is crucial for enhancing the viewer's experience. Invest in good lighting, a decent camera, and clear audio equipment to ensure your videos look and sound professional. Engaging visuals and crisp sound can significantly impact viewer retention and engagement, making them more likely to follow your calls to action. By combining storytelling, informative content, and high production quality, you can create compelling videos that effectively promote your affiliate products and drive sales. Utilizing YouTube ads effectively. Leveraging YouTube ads to promote affiliate products can significantly enhance your marketing effort and reach a broader audience. The first step is to choose the right ad format that aligns with your goals. Skippable ads allow viewers to skip after 5 seconds, making them ideal for engaging content that captures attention quickly. Non-skippable ads ensure your message is delivered in full, which can be effective for brand awareness. Bumper ads, less than just 6 seconds, are perfect for concise, impactful messages that leave a lasting impression. Next, targeting your ads based on demographics, interests, and behaviors is crucial for maximizing effectiveness. YouTube's robust targeting option enables you to reach specific audiences who are more likely to be interested in your affiliate products. By tailoring your ads to the right viewers, you increase the chances of conversion and drive more traffic to your affiliate links. Finally, monitoring ad performance and adjusting your strategies based on analytics is essential for ongoing success. Use YouTube's analytics tool to track metrics such as click through rate, engagement, and conversions. This data will help you refine your ad campaigns, optimize your targeting, and ultimately improve your return on investment. By following these strategies, you can effectively utilize YouTube ads to promote your affiliate products and boost your earnings. Tracking and analyzing performance. To ensure the success of your affiliate marketing efforts on YouTube, it's essential to track and analyze your performance effectively. Start by utilizing YouTube Analytics, which provides valuable insights into your video performance and audience engagement. You can measure metrics such as watch time, views, and audience retention to understand which content resonates most with your viewers. This information helps you refine your video strategy and create more of what your audience loves. In addition to YouTube Analytics, tracking affiliate link clicks and conversions is crucial for assessing the effectiveness of your promotion. Use tracking tools like Bitly or Google Analytics to monitor how many clicks your affiliate links receive and how many lead to actual sales. This data will give you a clear picture of which products are performing well and which may need more attention. Finally, adjust your strategies based on the insights you gather from your analytics. If certain types of content or ad placement yield better results, consider focusing more on those areas. By continuously analyzing your performance and adapting your approach, you can optimize your affiliate marketing efforts, ultimately leading to better results and increased earnings. Building a community. Engaging with your audience and building a community around your YouTube channel is vital for long-term success in affiliate marketing. One effective way to foster this engagement is by encouraging viewers to comment and ask questions about your videos. Prompting discussions not only makes your content more interactive, but also shows your audience that you value their input and opinion. Responding to comments is equally important in nurturing a sense of community. When you take the time to reply to viewers, it creates a personal connection and encourages more interaction. This consistent two-way communication helps build trust and loyalty, making your audience feel more invested in your content and more likely to support your affiliate recommendations. Additionally, Consider creating a mailing list or a social media group for deeper engagement. This allows you to connect with your audience outside of YouTube, providing them with exclusive content, updates, and special offers related to your affiliate products. By fostering a sense of belonging and community, you not only enhance viewer loyalty, but also increase the likelihood of conversions. Ultimately, a strong community can lead to sustained growth and success in your affiliate marketing endeavors. In this video, we explore the powerful world of affiliate marketing on YouTube ads and its potential to generate income for content creators. We discuss how affiliate marketing allows you to promote products you believe in while earning commission on sales, making it a win-win for both you and the merchants. Key takeaways include the importance of selecting the right ad formats to align with your goals, targeting your audience effectively based on demographics and interests, and continuously monitoring your ad performance to refine your strategies. We also highlighted the significance of creating engaging video content that resonate with your viewers, as well as the value of building a community through interaction and deeper engagement. As you embark on your affiliate marketing journey, remember to focus on authenticity and quality to foster trust with your audience. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to explore our related content for more tips and strategies for maximizing your success in affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.